You're watching Market Headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 7,259.26, and then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 7,222.04, and then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,254.46, and in short, JCI went up 0.16%. And let's see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got energy as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 1.8%. Property went up 1.52%. Transportation and logistics went down 0.76%, and infrastructure went down 0.52%. And moving on to top gainers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. BUMI went up 9.38% to 210 rupiah per share. Merdeka Copper Gold went up 6.09% to 4,180. Adar went up 0.51% to 3,970 rupiah. ADMR went up 1.49% to 1,705 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got Bank Rakyat Indonesia went down 1.08% to 4,560. Telkom Indonesia went down 1.3% to 4,540 rupiah. Frent went down 5.38% to 88 rupiah, and Goto went down 1.42% to 278 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 14,839. Rupiah showing strengthening trend towards US dollar, and it was closed at the level of 14,905. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.49%. In the midst of the La Nina phenomenon and rising coal prices, BUMI Resources will focus on boosting production. In 2022, BUMI targets its coal production volume to be in the range of 78 to 83 million tons. BUMI Resources will focus on boosting production in the midst of the La Nina phenomenon and rising coal prices. In 2022, BUMI targets its coal production volume to be in the range of 78 million to 83 million tons, up from last year's 78 million tons. The coal production is the largest in Indonesia. Director and Corporate Secretary of BUMI Resources, Dilip Srivastava, estimates that the global reference price for coal will still be in the range of 350 to 450 US dollar per ton at least this year. Dilip said that currently the obstacle for the company is that its production is hampered by the continuous rainy season due to the natural phenomenon of La Nina. Meanwhile, the company is still prioritizing its production to be channeled to the domestic market and fulfilling DMO rather than export. During the first half of 2022, 34.5 million tons of coal were mined, down 14% from the same period last year of 40.1 million tons. IDX Channel reports.